In this video, I'll be discussing Sergei Sphere's related controversy. Recently, the world's most famous medical journal, that is The Lancet and New England Journal of Medicine, have retracted two articles, and the reason behind it is data from Sergei Sphere's corporation. What is the controversy? What is the data? What are the studies? Everything will be discussed in this video, so watch till the end. Hello friends, I am Prashant. I welcome you all to Educational Stuff. Every day you will be getting editorials and article discussions in this channel. So I request you all to subscribe to this channel. Recently, hydrochloroquine medicine is in news. Does this medicine is really for coronavirus? It acted as a prophylaxis. Some higher studies earlier in the month of March said that this medicine can be reduce the effect of corona, and it is used as a front line for COVID patients treatment. After that, Donald Trump asked India to send hydrochloroquine, and India had agreed for it. After 2 months, that is in the month of May, different studies published in the Lancet Journal and New England Journal of Medicine, there were two retractions which highlights that hydrochloroquine medicine is not safe. In Lancet Journal, it also said that hydrochloroquine is used for high mortality rate of people. It means that if a COVID patient gets hydrochloroquine as a medicinal treatment, then there may be a possibility of death. In New England Journal of Medicine had stated that the reports of blood pressure medication were not associated with COVID patients. The medication won't affect any COVID patients. Lancet and New England Journal of Medicine are the best and oldest journals ever. Publishing article in these is not a cakewalk. They scrutiny and review each and every article which is to be published, and this is done by the great professionals across the world. So retracing the article of Lancet is a historic thing. Even after this much of scrutiny, how this particular thing happened? These were the authors of Lancet study. Professor Madhib R. Mishra, who is a professor at Harvard University, Dr. Sapan S. Desai from Sergei Sphere, Professor Frank from University of Hospital Zurich, Dr. Amityan Patel, University of Utah. The study claimed that they have looked at the data of 671 hospitals across 6 continents. Around 81,000 hospitalized patients were not given hydrochloroquine, and 15,000 were given the drug. The finding says that 96,032 patients with COVID-19 were hospitalized during the study period and met the inclusion criteria. Of these, only 14,888 patients were in the treatment groups. Why did this study gain traction? The Lancet study gained so much attention because it went further than other observational studies that had similarly found the drugs were not associated with improved outcomes for patients. The study, which was purportedly based on the patients' data of 671 hospitals and 6 continents, reported that the drugs also corresponded to high mortality. The World Health Organization on May 25th said that it had temporarily suspended the clinical trials of hydrochloroquine on COVID-19 patients. The number of deaths in Australia reported in the study was higher than the actual deaths. The data relied upon the researchers to draw the conclusions in the Lancet is not readily available in Australian clinical databases, leading many to ask where the data has come from. A question has arisen: how only these 4 doctors analyzed this 96,000 patients data, and why are the only these doctors? How can only 4 doctors who are very busy and can collect 96,000 patients data? In the detailed analysis of these papers of many researchers, they found that a small note had been written in the acknowledgement of that is derived from Sphere Corporation. That means the data has been derived from the Sphere Corporation. There's a link between this corporation and Dr. Tapan Desai, who runs Sphere Corporation, had shared some of the same authors. Both the studies in the question used data of Sphere, a little known company based in Chicago, USA. Sphere is described as a healthcare data analytics and a medical educational company. Amid scrutiny, the data underlying the paper, the Lancet asked for raw data used in the study, which the author failed to provide. Sphere was not cooperating with the independent reviewers and would not provide the data. It stated that they cannot reveal the health data due to the privacy and confidential issues. Then, the other three authors of the journal had opted for apology for the study from the sources, and they want to retract because the primarily data from which they took as a reference of 96,000 patients' data is not available. From this, so that the other three doctors had given an apology, and they said that we cannot no longer vouch for the veracity of the primary data sources. From this we can conclude that hydrochloroquine is not a medicine for coronavirus. Until date, no other researchers confirmed the hydrochloroquine is a medicine for it. That's the end of Sphere controversy. Please do subscribe for further more updates, and thanks for joining me. Have a great day.